as you are talking about that Indian education is good, so do you know Indian education only teaches us that how can we become like a very cheap person, because do you know there was a woman, and she gave around 80 lakh to a person for buying a home. Then that person he did not give, and he said that we can also go in court. So that woman, she went in court, and that court they said that you cannot give more than 2 lakh cash to anyone. So at the time, do you know, in court they also took 15 lakh rupees as a fine from her, and her 80 lakh rupees were also gone. So you can see your
first of all, you have studied maybe from any WhatsApp university, because there is nothing like
in India you are only gonna find like so many cheap chapters, but you know, if you go abroad study, then you can easily learn that you can easily learn how to operate computer and how to learn good skills.
Okay, tell me that you have mentioned about in India we can see a lot of cheap chapters at all. Tell me what is taught in abroad.
They teach about AI.
Okay.
And they also teach about their country, not about other countries.
Okay, you have mentioned about at AI at all. Do you know, if I talk about India, so here I am in 12th class and I have a lot of chapters that which is about, you would know about ozone layer at all, that how to save it, how to protect it. But if I talk about abroad, they don't care about it. But in India is very kind.
Okay, tell us. What is the most listen. Okay, you are in 12th, so tell me what is the most polluted country?
What? You have here Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, you are totally wrong here, because you know the most populated country is India, and in India that is Delhi.
Okay, you have mentioned about like India at all and Delhi. So it is right now, but it is right
but
now.
you are not right. So that's you studying from India and you don't know anything.
So it is where people live life. You said it will be dirty. You will.
Bro, no, if you go.
Wait, Pratikya.
Whatever you guys are supporting about India or something else, as you guys are talking about they teach history, I do not, of course they teach history, but of whom? Of which country? That is from other country, we do not get anything. I know we get some knowledge, basic concept, basic ABCD about them, but still we need to know about our country. Whenever we ask who is the home minister of our country, we do not know. We ask the prime minister, they tell the president. We ask the president, they tell the prime minister. That's the very main thing in India. Education is very good, but the teacher and student both are very bad. They do not know how to teach, the methods, everything is very bad. If I talk about abroad country, of course they have their own language, they have their own story, but still, how do they teach very different.
But you proved by yourself education is good, teachers don't teach it.
Yes.
Indian
Yes.
education is good.
I did say that. The education, whatever they teach us, everything is bad in India. Why the most of the parents they want to send their children in abroad, because they as well, they also know. And why I want to say this? They only teach about in history very bad thing, and in whenever you see I am talking about 11th and 12th class. What's the subject? Political science. They teach. There are the different topics, but if we talk about like current, as we have seen the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, what's going on, nobody knows. So they should also teach about this, that there are so many stages of stage of minister, so many what the foreign minister do, what the home minister do, they do not know. The basic knowledge we do not know about India, and whenever they ask question in an exam, what was that thing or what happened in that year, so I disagree with it.
Okay. Wait a minute, let me check. Already.
Don't speak.
Okay, you speak.
Okay, if you are reading 11th class, so you know very well cosine subject.
Yeah.
So really you learn chapter number 6 and chapter number 7, Karyapalika and Nyayapalika. Yeah, learn. So why you don't know what the work of the ministers?
Whatever
Because don't get the deeply. That's the biggest
Really?
reason.
Who
Yeah.
the hell are you to tell me that I haven't read it?
Yeah, because you're reading, because
Carry on then.
because you didn't learn, because you didn't read it deeply, so that the reason you don't know what the work of minister and prime minister Vidya Mandir at all.
They do not know. They do not tell us about the minister, the work of minister. They tell what the executive does and what these things, legislative and judiciary does. They do not talk about minister there. First of all, I think you haven't studied well.
No, bro, I'm studying well. That's the reason I know very well. First of all, you don't know because you didn't read, because you don't read deeply.
That's why you subject. Why didn't you get
If
90
you talk
plus,
about
ma'am?
pole science, I have gotten a good maximum pole
How
science.
much?
If you talk how much?
Yeah.
18 out.
Why don't 90 plus?
69 out of 18.
Oh, wow. Clap for her.
First in my pole science
Do
subject.
you agree with your teacher?
Yeah, I'm agree because
And do you agree with your all the books you having to raise your point? Why the people they you know in every year where India people what they do the government that book will be changed, the book will be changed, but never. Still they are saying that on 2026 will be there, but still not changed because I know. See, my childhood I am watching that my mother she knows our chapters. That yeah, when I was still that was chapter it was done, still it is there. Which kind of change you are doing and still you say that India is going to defeat China? Oh wow, how? You may continue.
If you talk about China and all, so first of all you watch the news.
Yeah, what?
Now,
Yeah.
today you watch the news.
No, you tell. She even doesn't know.
Today, today India this is Namita Germany and all. If you talk about the pole science, let us be. Today, if you talk about the pole science subject, pole science and all, it is the beneficial for us. Okay.
Somewhere up there you were talking about news now. You have come on the
Yes,
podcast.
just let it be.
Why let it be?
Because I also forgot the news today. Because I have to eat news now. I'm not going.
Okay.
So how many number did you get in your 10th class in English?
In English. Yeah. Okay, I got 91.
What is the number of your?
Why do you want to know? I have already mentioned that India's education is very bad. Very bad. And if I had failed, then what happened? Still, I'm believing that India education is bad.
Of course you will blame because if you didn't study and after that if you didn't get numbers, of course you will blame. If you don't study, this is not a problem of Indian education. It is a problem of you that you couldn't study.
How the education is? Don't you focus over ever? Haven't you focused over it?
Listen, but did I ask you that how many you said
Yeah.
that I got 91%. Why didn't you get 100 out of 100?
Let me tell you one thing. Whenever we talk about no, honestly, you have completely no. I did not give you chance.
So why? I also don't know.
Anyway, sir, she has talked
Sir,
about
she not letting me
you
tell.
tell.
As you got 91%, so why didn't you get 91%, 100 out of 100?
Because it's very hard. I got 91 by myself.
Listen, as you asked about her that why didn't you get, so it's up to
Because she was supporting Indian education and still I'm supporting it's bad. And still I got 91. Which kind of thinking you are having?
which kind of mentality you are having. If you don't study,
As
how
you have
will you
talked
get?
about-
How will you know how
Done.
many? What did I say that if you don't study, how will you get number?
Got her. Are you done?
I
Can I
have
speak now?
done. Yeah, of course.
As she has talked about, if you do not study, so you're definitely not gonna get the good marks. But as you have talked about, do you really think the English is very good? If they could have teach you English best, the grammar, you would never come here. They do not teach the stories. That's very common.
I'm not talking about this English.
Now, so you asked me the number, okay? Then I'm talking about the
Complete
English.
it.
As you have talked about why I got because of the literature is very common because the story is very common. It's common stories that we see. But if I talk about grammar portion, it's very hard. They do not teach. Modals, tenses, whenever if you ask the school student, they would know the formula. We know because we come here. But if you ask them, they are very confused in that. Their advertisement, if you see the syllabus of grammar in English, it's very hard and they do not teach. That's why we are not even able to speak in
Okay,
English.
as you are taking the class of English, so why didn't you get
What?
full number? If you are taking the class, so it is not what they are not taking it. It
But
is your
you eat in food,
it is
yeah?
your responsibility to do that. Complete your what we call.
Except English, what would you
Chapter
like to say? What would you like to say? except
As you
English?
were mentioning the point of political study,
Yeah.
you said that there is no any kind of current affairs. So how will it, because the book was very old.
Okay,
and
I
you-
am supporting.
listen, it is your duty to collect the new what we call current affairs.
In my book, what I personally believe that abroad education is very good because if I talk about Indian education, you can take an example of 2025. There were lots of scams in Indian education. Even Indian goes in abroad to study. So it means that abroad education is very good than Indian education.
Anybody else? No counter. Just give your opinion. Okay, Arushi.
I think that Indian education system is much better than abroad education system, because as you all were talking about the AI, so I think it is present in India, and accountancy, AI, technology, it is present in India, and it was mentioned by him that we go to abroad to study. So I think foreigners, they also come to India to know about the Indian and monuments.
No opinion. Wait.
You have-
That is not- You don't understand what I mean.
So in my perspective, abroad education is much better than Indian education, because in their childhood they don't send their children to school, because they don't want that their children face many problems. Like in childhood, they study tables and many things. So they teach very basic things, like as he mentioned Harsh, that cleanliness and many things they teach. And when they grow up, when they're grown up, so after that they teach AI and many things. So that's why their education system is much better than Indian education system.
Okay.
That's why.
Yes, so she speak with us.
So, in my point of view, I subscribe to fear of education abroad education system, because there they teach lots of skills like communication skills, respect. They at first they don't teach ABCD and answer and all. They just teach how to respect the skills and communication skills and manners and discipline also. But in this in Indian culture, Indian education system, they don't teach this kind of thing. They just teach full chapter and subject that is too lengthy, and no one aspire to learn that. No one aspire to learn that, and that's why they are. That's why lots of students, they are getting depressed and they have lots of pressure. And if Indian education system is good, so why lots of 95% students, they are unemployment after getting lots of degrees.
Anya.
Opinion. In my perspective, Indian education is much better than abroad, and they are also teaching about retail, artificial intelligence, and banking. Many of the subjects in our schools they are teaching, and abroad education and Indian education are on same page because of networks and social media.
So in my opinion, abroad education system is good because they teach while playing, and they teach student that you can respectfully, and they teach like this, like a
Or
family.
they teach you like moral studies.
Yeah, moral studies, and they don't teach history because they know that it is not a beneficial of student that we are reading.
Okay. Lanshu.
In my point of view, Indian education is as much good as much Gandhiji was, because in India they teach useless chapters, and means useless history, useless geography, everything is useless in Indian education system. But in abroad they teach every means they teach because there is a reason behind it, and in here they don't teach, they don't know the reason and they are teaching, and because of the education their youths are as their youths can defeat our scientists and so many professionals.
You don't need anything.
So my in my point of view, as you all are saying about that, like pressure and this unemployment also is saying about that. I think you are nothing about that. do you know one thing is that abroad country that they teach how to do drinks, how to do alcohol, and how to do smoking like thing. They are teaching bad thing as well as.
Okay, as she talked about that abroad education is teaching us that how to smoke, how to drink alcohol. Do you know about Indian education? Even if you go in government school, the teacher male teacher, he is smoking front of children. So what would they learn? They would learn smoking and drinking alcohol.
Okay, you are supporting abroad. So tell me which kind of education they teach.
The education they teach by which you can become a great profession that which you need in your future. And in Indian education you can't get this kind of things.
You are totally wrong here because in my school I have seen my school, so I am saying that in my school they are teaching how to do this. If you aspire to become a doctor, obviously they teach how to do this kind of after step by step.
What are they teaching to become a doctor? What are they teaching?
Firstly they teach how to do medical things about that. Firstly, you have to pass your class exam after you do after you are preparing your 5 to 6 year for your practice.
For your kind information, if I say something that you would know that I have to pass my 12th, I have to give exam, and I have to study, and I have to become doctor. This kind of steps we are teaching, which we know in our childhood.
Okay, tell me one thing is that where is the best hospital?
Best hospital in abroad.
No, in India, AIMS hospital. It is the best.
Okay, AIMS hospital is the best in India only. And if I talk about world, it is in abroad.
Nah, they are totally wrong. You don't know about it.
Debate is over now, guys.